systems can be complex, and there is not a one-size-fits-all solution for every utility. Any AMI initiative should start with an assessment of the utility's current state and future needs. This assessment should consider all aspects of the system, including meters, sensors, communication methods, software integration, and business processes. All utilities are unique and will find themselves in a very different starting point with various primary considerations, whether your utility is reading meters manually, utilizing a drive-by reading system, or is looking to replace a first-generation AMI. By starting any AMI undertaking with a thorough understanding of needs and a solid implementation plan, utilities will set themselves up for a successful and transformative project.